Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I wanted to show you this week a fun new way to go from standing to getting down on the floor in a split pattern that mobilizes everything. I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. This is one of my favorite new things to play with. It feels great, but again, it mobilizes all your major joints. So what you do is you do a very long lunge step back so that you can get your knee on the floor. And you can take both hands, put them down on the floor, rock forward just a little bit, and now we're gonna rock back. Gonna take that back foot and get on the balls of our feet or the bottoms of our toes. We're gonna rock back. So look, this knee's going into full flexion now, and we're still gonna push back and rock back. Now the hip's going into full flexion, and we're in a sitting position. And from here, we're gonna rock forward, taking that hip out of full flexion, knee still in full flexion, the toes are really extended back. We're gonna come up to here, and we're gonna stand, and then we're gonna do the other leg. So we're gonna big lunge step back till the knee touches the floor. You can go on the top of your foot if you like, take both hands, put them down on the floor. Now we're gonna take those toes on the back foot, go dorsiflex, push back, full flexion here, extreme extension in the toes. Don't move into pain, but explore where you can go. And then we're gonna rock back. Look what this hip gets to do now. And from here, we're gonna rock forward to here. Now watch this ankle. This ankle's getting a lot of mobility too. And we're just gonna stand up. Now, I kind of talked through that. Now let me just show you some ways you can do it. This is really, I love this. It's just neat, and while you're doing this, you can just explore different ways your body will move. You can explore different ways that you want to stand up from. You can try to stand up from here, hey, or you can try to stand up from here. And if you wanted to, you can try to stand up from here. But again, you're mobilizing all of the lower body joints. And your wrists get a little action up front too. But this is just a great way to play. Oh, not only are you mobilizing all your joints, look what this hip gets to do right here. This is extension and feels good. So we're here, and then we push back. Not an extension anymore, it's full flexion. But when we come forward, that's extension. Anyway, guys, try this drill. It's a staggered stance from standing to reverse lunging to rocking forward, rocking back, mobilizing all your joints. We'll come up with a cool name for this. Write your cool name suggestions in the comments. I appreciate it. Guys, give that a try. Hope you have a great week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.